What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. Over here I have trend-based fib. I've told you about it before that on the 10th we're going to have a trend-based fib time. It came up on the 10th and we had a nice move and continuation. On the 15th I also told you we're going to have one more. We had one more on the 15th, but on the 15th we dumped, then we pumped also. And I'm telling you, we're having one more coming up in a couple of minutes. It's going to be the 19th, and on the 19th the daily candle will be entering trend-based fib time, and we could have a move up or move down. As we've seen today that Bitcoin dumped, then we had a V-shaped recovery, and if Bitcoin wants to continue up, it needs to get above some certain levels. I'll go through them shortly. Another thing we should watch out for is on the weekly. On this chart you will notice that Bitcoin, for the first time since Bitcoin's inception, it has never touched the 400 EMA. The 400 EMA was almost touched today, really very close. And usually what happens is we never close a weekly. We've never closed a weekly below the 300 EMA, the weekly 300 EMA. We've wicked below it and never closed a weekly candle below the 300 EMA. As you see over here, we're below the 300 and at the 400 almost. And if I put in the 500, that's the 500, it lies at the 13,459. So you need to be aware of that. I want to show you another thing. We've lost the 2.618 level on my fib channel. It's clear on the 4-hour. We're below it. You see, we're bumping our head on it. We've lost it on the 4-hourly, and in addition we have on the 1-hour time frame, we have the 100 right above us, and I believe it's not the 100, the 50 EMA was some sort of resistance. The next will be the 100 above us, so just be aware of that. Next week will be interesting to see how the CME futures would gap down or gap up according to how we close. On the other hand, if Bitcoin wants to move up, it has to get above the 19,357, get support, continue pumping, and it must go above the 2,400 to 2,600 range and get support. That's how you know that Bitcoin is moving up. Otherwise, if you see it starting making three-way moves and rolling down, the EMAs rolling down, then you know that we're not coming out of here. This looks like a V-shaped recovery, but we've had other instances where it looked like a V-shaped recovery and we pumped up, then we rolled down again. It's happened so many times. Look at this beautiful V-shape, but then we make almost a three-way move out of here and we continue going down and further down. So that's all for the update.